What is going on, you guys? Happy Monday! Motivational Monday. Happy Monday to you. Welcome to this full day of eating and a day in the life. As you guys know from my last video, situation going on still currently in Orange County. I'm about to head out right now and I'm gonna go get my toes done because you guys, my toes are so ratchet. Look at them. Head to the gym. I'm probably gonna do like a full body workout today. Before we head out, I'm gonna go ahead and prep some food. So I'm gonna show you guys how I prep my food. To be a good and long day when your girl cracks a 3D energy drink. This is not sponsored. This is my friend's brand, but it's a 0-calorie drink that I have once in a while when I need the kick. And today I needed that kick. And this morning, this is actually the only thing that I've eaten. I'll show you guys what I had for breakfast this morning. Water in it, you guys, and then I warm it up in the microwave for like a minute. That gives it the best consistency, and then I put almond milk in. Definitely more protein, yeah, because 2 scoops of the PB banana split is actually 1 serving. Literally favorite protein ever, highly recommend. And link is always in my bio of the supplements I take, and with NLA for her I do have a discount code for you guys. We made it to get our toes done because they were crusty. I'm eating my second meal of the day. Look what I have here. Say hi, Jazz. Oh, lemonade. And then what's your drink?
Oh, this is a green monster.
Oh, cheers. So just catching up with Jasmine right now and then heading to the gym after. His toes is getting some TLC. I got a collagen, this is a collagen protein bar, bulletproof. So these protein bars are actually higher fat, but it has collagen in it. I usually have consistently been taking collagen peptides. I'll usually have them in shakes because they're really, really good for just like your skin, your bones, like it's good for you. So I'm gonna have this for a little bit more carb and to get some collagen in, and then we're going to go crush it in the gym. What a life. What a life. Hello. 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 Say hello, Ari.
Hello.
Hello, we're back. We are back. I made it to my sister's yesterday. It was about a 7-hour drive. I legit did not think I was gonna make it. Usually that drive is not that bad for me. But I don't know, for whatever reason this time, it was definitely a freaking challenge for sure. The gym earlier, did some upper body, which was good, did a little bit of cardio. and now we're chillaxing. I was so tired today. I definitely drank a little bit of wine last night, but I was so exhausted that I took a nap, legit, probably about an hour plus. Head out to the grocery store. I need to get some essentials. Actually swing by one of the places that I was thinking about living at in Norcal just to check it out. But you guys know I am staying at my sister's for a month. So I just for, you know, why not? I went and I looked at the place that I was telling you guys about that I applied to near my sister's house, and I really liked it. I don't know if God's speaking to me or what, but that's good news, depending on whatever I want to do. What I got, a little grocery haul. I picked up like some stuff for Jessica. I'll show you what I got her too, because she's cutting right now, prepping, I think, in the middle of that. Okay, so I got this vegetable medley. I love these because they come with like multiple vegetables. So I got 2 of those, and they was $5. Baby bella mushrooms. Here, I got 2 of these bags. All about convenience. I like getting them already prepped and cut, basically. Some egg whites, some salmon. So I'll be prepping all of this. And then I picked up Jessica some lean beef, and I also picked her up some salmon as well. Cascadian Farm organic fire roasted sweet potatoes. So I think they're already cut, they're already prepped, because I'm about that what? Hashtag convenient life. Yes, and the macros are really, really good on it. So I got these. I just got 1 bag because I wanted to see how I like them. This is Christian. Say hi, don't be shy. Come here, if you're a YouTuber, you can't be shy. He is a YouTuber.
I'm not a YouTuber.
You are a YouTuber. You have to.
He's gonna start.
He's gonna start. So make sure that you guys subscribe to his YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel gonna be called?
Christian the Collector.
Christian the Collector?
Video games.
Yeah. You have to start your YouTube channel because now they know, and they're gonna come try and look for you and subscribe. Okay? You're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay. I love this view. Cannot get over how peaceful it is waking up to this every single morning. We are gonna wrap up this video. It is like 7:10. We're actually gonna go watch 47 meters under part 2. Looks a little bit cheesy to me, but yeah, no, there's not many good movies out there in the theater, so you gotta settle. Yes guys, it's so funny because like this morning I woke up and my niece was here, my cousin was here, and then obviously Jessica lives here, and so like I just felt like very at peace and fulfilled, if that makes sense, you know? So I don't know if it's like, because it's hard like when you're praying and you're trying to like listen to God. I feel within the direction that like he wants me to go is where I'm gonna feel the most peace, because whenever I like try and pray and like listen to God, I feel that it's how I feel in certain situations is how he speaks to me. I'm realizing that I really just like the simple life, if that makes sense. Like I was driving around today here, and it's just like very residential, and I don't know, I just have this illusion in my mind about like living in Southern California and stuff like that, but it's always a place that I can go visit. I'm not confirming on this video with you guys that I'm going to live here. Obviously this is the first day basically that I've been here, and kind of, you know, went to the gym and like went and got my food and just did like my daily routine that I usually do. It's been different when I've been in LA and I wake up and I feel antsy and I feel very like anxious and like it's like a breath of fresh air, literally. So that's gonna conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And then I also just wanna say, like, thank you so much to every single one of you who wrote just such sweet comments in my last video, supporting whatever direction I go, whether it be San Diego, whether it be here.